so much for clicking. You know, it means so much to me. If you really subscribe, if you're just watching for the very first time, please subscribe, please, it will mean the world to me. So today we're talking about PICOSECOND, and if you're an old subscriber, oh my god, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the support and everything. It means so much to me. God bless you guys. Okay, God bless you. Real good. Okay, so today we're talking about the video I told you I was going to put out here about how I use the PICOSECOND on my facial scar mark. Yes, so I'll just, before I move to the video, I just want to give you a tips you should know and point you should know for before you do the PICOSECOND, before you even start it. So if you haven't watched, there's a video I put out there. So if you have not watched how I got rid of my tribal mark, the before and the after, please watch the video. Pause this one right now and watch it. Then you come back and watch this one. Okay? So that one's going to give you, I give it like a breakdown of everything, how I was getting, how long it takes, and what I'm going to use. Okay? So let's get back to it. So today I did some research and I did some things here in my book. So I was looking down. So again, if you're using the blue mark, number one, if you're using the blue mark, make sure that if you're using if you're using the blue light for the PICOSECOND, make sure you have someone that is using it for you. Make sure there's someone that is going to use it for you. The person that's already there using it for you, okay? And please take note, but if you're using the red light, you can do it yourself because it's not that strong. But blue light, the light is very strong. So make sure you find someone to do it for you. You can just give the person description, but make sure that if someone's there to actually do it for you, okay? Now make sure you and make sure again that's the point number 2 is make sure you take your breath before you do it. Not like after you've done it, after you've done the work on your face or the surgery or whatever it is on your face, and you now start going to take your breath. No, you're gonna avoid taking your breath that whole thing. Okay? Make sure you're taking your breath before you even do it. Okay, that's the point you should know. Make sure you do it and make sure the area you're going to work on is clean. Don't use alcohol, don't use antiseptic, whatever. No, so just make sure it's clean. Wash your face, then you can go for it. Okay? Then number 3, make sure you wear protective glasses. Don't know what protective glasses is. Protective glasses. This is a protective glass. You've seen the video how I use it. So make sure you wear it on your face. But if you are using the blue light outside of the red light, you're doing the best. Because it's going to work, so you can't close your eyes while you do it. So yes. And also, make sure that the light, what I mean is this piece, I'll put it in the video right now. So make sure it's on the right settings. All of this is on the right setting. The frequency and the intensity is on the right setting, okay, before you use it. Again, I'm still emphasizing on clean your face before you use it. Clean your face very well. Don't allow oil. Like if you watch the video, there was so much oil on my face. I was trying to work on it, so I had to clean it to make sure everything was clean. So I had to wipe my face with my hands. So you don't need to do that. Make sure that you already clean your face. I have an oily skin. So while I was doing it, I noticed there was a lot of oils on my face. I had to wipe off my face. So please make sure you do yours first before you do it. Mine I've done it outside, so you wouldn't really excuse that mistake. Make sure you wash your face, clean your face very well. It's not oily before you do it, okay? Now, don't scrub your face. After you do it, don't scrub your face or touch your face for the next few days. It's important to do that. You see, this is how your face is to be like completely after you're done. So make sure you don't scrub your face, don't touch your face, don't even do anything to your face. Just let it be. Allow it to breathe, allow it to heal itself. I'll do a video on what to do to, allow the scar to heal, very fast, so that you can feel so avoid. So I'll do that video next week. So if you have to do the next week, and immediately after the video, after doing the whole thing, just I did a video those oils avoid further scar again to make it darken. So watch the video, use only the oil for your scar, for the area, you understand, the water. So yeah, so again, allow it to heal, don't peel it. Again, this is how this, you don't peel it, don't do anything to it, just leave it. It might be your face, it might be anywhere else, please don't peel it, just let it be, okay? It's gonna heal on its own, by its own time. Don't do anything to it, just let it be.